Every time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy. Like my heart boom boom. Any other boy would stare, but me I look away, cause you're making me scared. Trying not to breathe, 1, 2, 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Resa Rizky Ramadhani with name 20240100105 from the PGSD Department, class SD 24C. I will present the result of my scientific work with the title Analysis of the Elementary School Curriculum and its Impact on the Quality of Education. Have a good time watching. Okay, I took the title Analysis of the Elementary School Curriculum and its Impact on the Quality of Education. Abstract: the curriculum is a vital component in the education system which regulates objective, materials, and learning methods to achieve optimal results. This research aims to analyze the elementary school curriculum and its impact on the quality of education. The method used in this research is literature study, by examining various written sources such as books, scientific journals, articles, and relevant documents. In the context of dynamic changing times, the elementary school curriculum needs to to be adapted to be relevant to the social, economic, and technological challenges faced by society. The Merdeka curriculum, which has been implemented since 2022, provides greater flexibility for teachers to adapt teaching approaches, including strengthening 21 century scale and project-based learning. In addition, developing social-emotional skills is an important aspect of the curriculum to prepare students to face social and emotional challenges in everyday life. This research also discusses the positive and negative impact of curriculum change in elementary school, as well as challenges in implementing them, such as not achieving educational targets due to a lack of teacher understanding and limited facilities in some areas. The result of the analysis show that curriculum development that is sustainable and adaptive to current needs is very important to improve the quality of education in Indonesia. Next is the introduction. Curriculum plays a crucial role in achieving educational goals, acting as the foundation of all educational activities. It serves as a strategic tool for managing the educational process, ensuring that learning targets are met. Managing the educational process, ensuring that learning targets are met. Effective curriculum development is essential as a poor foundation can lead to failures in education policy and implementation. The primary goal of national education is to develop student abilities, shape their character, and prepare them to be responsible, democratic citizens. As society evolves, the curriculum must adapt to changing needs from the 1947 curriculum to the current independent curriculum. A well-structured And dynamic curriculum is key to ensuring students develop the cognitive, psychomotor, and affective skills needed for the future. Indonesia potential to become a developed country relies heavily on the quality of this education, which in turn defines an effective curriculum management. Next is the research methods. This research uses a literature study method, which aims to collect, analyze, and summarize relevant information regarding elementary school curriculum analysis and its impact on the quality of education. The research process was carried out by collecting sources, namely identifying and collecting various sources of literature related to the elementary school curriculum, including books, journal articles, research reports, and educational policy documents. These sources were selected based on their relevance and credibility in the context of the primary school curriculum. Then go into the discussion. The first, understanding education. According to Law No. 20 of 2003, education is a plan of effort to create an environment where students actively develop their potential, including spiritual strength, self-control, intelligence, moral, and necessary skill. John Dewey views education as a process of developing both intellectual and emotional abilities, emphasizing that education is a reconstruction of experience that become more focused and meaningful. Education in the ways we view occurs through active participation in various life experiences, whether in a classroom, home, or other setting. The second, understanding curriculum. The curriculum is a set of plans and arrangements including objective, content, material, and methods to guide learning activities and achieve educational goals, as outlined in Law No. 20 of 2003. Derived from Latin, the term curriculum refers to the path forward to reach goals. According to Somadinata 2018, the curriculum is a guide for the teaching and learning process, and its development must follow certain principles. Hamali 2022 defines curriculum development as planning learning opportunities to help students achieve effective transition, emphasizing its anticipatory nature. Fajri 2019 sees it as a national policy process aligned with the vision and mission of education, involving planning, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation. Overall, curriculum development aims to maximize implementation to achieve learning objectives. The three elementary school curriculum structure. Nana Shaudi, 2000, identifies three key variables in education: curriculum, teacher, and the learning process, which are independent for achieving national, institutional, and regional goals. The independent curriculum in Indonesia includes three components: intracurricular lesson content, co-curricular Pancasila student profile project, and extracurricular scouting and interest development. The elementary school curriculum in Indonesia has several core components. Educational goals focus on character development and basic skills like reading, writing, arithmetic, and understanding science and technology. Subject includes religious education, Pancasila and citizenship, Indonesia, mathematics, natural and social science, arts and physical education. Competency-based learning aim for mastery of knowledge, skill, and attitudes across subjects. Assessment system focus on continuous assessment, including formative and summative evaluation, self-assessment, and peer assessment. Character education emphasis values like responsibility, honesty, and cooperation. Independent curriculum, a flexible curriculum that encourages project-based learning and strengthens 21 Century Style. Grade levels structured across six scholars, with increasing complexity as students progress. The technology and innovation includes digital tools and online platforms to enhance learning. The comprehensive curriculum structure aims to equip students with the necessary skills, knowledge, and character to succeed in the future. The fourth, elementary school curriculum analysis. The Indonesia Primary School (SD) curriculum is designed to prepare students for future social and professional life by balancing academic knowledge with essential life skills. It must reflect societal needs and adapt to global change in essential life skills. It must reflect societal needs and adapt to global change in technology, economy, and culture. The curriculum integrates Pancasila values, citizenship, and religious education to instill social responsibility while promoting 21st century skills like critical thinking, Crea- creativity, creativity, communication, and collaboration, the Merdeka curriculum implemented in 2022 offers flexibility for teachers to adapt lessons to local and global needs, emphasizing project-based learning. Balancing theory and practice is key, as hands-on learning helps students apply theoretical knowledge in real-world situations, while subjects like math and science are often taught theoretical. Practical activities such as experiments and error projects strengthen this balance. However, limited research in some schools, especially in rural areas, can hinder effective implementation. The integration of technology is crucial for preparing students for a teach-driven world. Digital tools and online platforms and learning but are often unequal across urban and rural areas. The independent curriculum allows for greater flexibility in using technology and emphasizes digital literacy, teaching students to think critically, solve problems, and interact ethically in the digital world. However, research gaps need addressing for equal access to technology. The 5. The impact of the elementary school curriculum on the quality of education. Raharjo, 2020, highlighted that Indonesia curriculum reform is evolving driven by the impact of the Industrial Revolution 5.0 and with by law no. 20 of 2003. This law aims to develop intelligent students with noble character and essential skills. As a result, the curriculum has undergone several changes over the years, from 1947 to the present, with the latest being the independent curriculum. The positive impacts of curriculum change in elementary school include: 1. Addressing gaps in previous curricula and improving education quality. 2. Adapting to the demands of a changing era. However, negative impacts include: 1. Failure to achieve educational targets, especially due to insufficient teacher understanding and implementation. 2. Inadequate facilities in some regions. 3. The time needed for effective socialization of the new curriculum. Effective teacher socialization is crucial for the success of curriculum change, as noted by Supriyani, 2022. Then the final step is the conclusion. The curriculum plays a central role in achieving educational goals and must be adapted to current social, economic, and technological developments. The Merdeka curriculum, introduced in 2022, emphasizes flexibility. 21. Country scale project-based learning and social-emotional development. However, challenges such as gaps in teacher understanding and limited facilities can hinder its implementation. An adaptive curriculum is crucial to improving education quality and preparing students for future challenges. Effective implementation, supported by adequate research, is essential for achieving national education goals. Thank you. Maybe that's enough material that I can convey regarding this scientific work that I created. I apologize if there are any shortcomings, either in terms of material or delivery. Thank you. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.